Okay, we're going to learn how to use Voki in the classroom. So you would go to www.voki.com, and once you get here it looks like this. This is a completely free site. You don't have to sign up for anything or anything like that. So it's pretty cool. You click in the upper left hand corner here where it says Create, and it brings you to this customization screen. The reason Voki is cool, and this is the actual Voki, this is what it looks like. The reason why this is cool is because it's a more fun way to present something than just typing it up and saying it in front of the class. So this is good for your projects that you're doing. It's a little more interesting. You click here on the little avatar body. There's different ones we can choose from. I like the one that's on there now, so I'll keep it. But you could click any of these and it would change the way the face looks. And they're different each time. We could do monsters or fantasy characters, like the genie. So I'll keep it on this little smiley though. You could scroll through those and take your time and actually really look through them. Then you could customize here. If it wasn't just a smiley face, it would have clothing that you can customize, hair. Right here we can only customize the mouth, but there's only one option. You might be able to put jewelry or a hat on it. So there's a lot of different options that you could be doing. I'll keep it simple though for the tutorial here. We click done on the bottom. Now we can customize the background. That's what she's in front of here. And you could click anything. You could put her on a farm, in a meadow, with roses behind her, trees. Because I'm in a summery mood, I'll put her here on this pool with palm trees. Okay, now you can give it a voice. For the sake of our classroom, we really don't have access to microphones all the time, as you guys know. So the microphone thing is something you might want to do at home. You could call it in and record by phone. For privacy with you guys, I suggest the best option is just to type in what you're going to say. So you would type your text here, you can give it a voice, and it will say whatever you type. So for now, I'll just say, this is an example of a Voki. We're going to keep it in English. There's different options here. Let's click Jill for the US. And done. So now that everything's done, you can actually preview it.
This is an example of a Voki.
So there she went. She said this is an example of a Voki. If we wanted to change her color or tweak anything, the size of her mouth, her color, body, height, width, nose if she had one, and her color, you could do that down here as well. Now that we're done, we can hit publish. I'll call this example. You hit save, and it saves it and brings us here. You could email this to yourself or me. You could copy this link. You could post it to social media. You could copy this and put it into a website if you had one, like our class site. So this is how we would do it. For the sake of the project, I suggest you email it to me, or email me the link, or save the link in a document that we can open later. And that's how you make a Voki.